What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Reed's Computer Solutions. So I got the Essential phone here. I have the official version of Android 9.0 Pie on this device, right? And they got some camera changes and some enhancements with the newer version of Pie on the Essential phone. But what I did was I downloaded the Google APK camera app on the Essential phone, right? So today I am going to show you some differences between the Google camera app and the original Essential app on this device, right? So is the Google camera app better on the Essential phone? Let's find out. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so before I show off the cameras on the Essential phone right here, got this Essential phone on deck, I want to show you that this is the regular camera app. As you can see, if you got an Essential phone, you see that this is the plain Jane app that you have no features with, right? And even in Pi, you do have some enhancements, but you still don't have any kind of controls with your camera app, right? So that is the Essential app. Let me show you guys the Google app here. So this is the Google app. All right, and as you can tell, it has a lot more features than the Essential app, right? There it is. So as you can see here with the Google app, you have a lot more features here than the regular Essential app. So this is the Google app here. All right, so I just want to show you guys both camera apps on the Essential phone. So let's go on and let me show you guys the camera with the Google app and the Essential app. Let's go. So this is the original camera of the Essential phone, and this is 1080p 30 frames per second. So let me walk here and I am testing out the Google camera versus the regular camera here. So I want y'all guys to see this at 1080p 30 frames per second, and also check out the audio with both camera apps, and you be the judge for yourself when looking at both of these camera apps. So look at that, okay? And let's go ahead and take a look at this, kind of go around here. Let's look at the sky. All right, so this is 1080p 30 frames per second on the original camera app on the Essential phone. So let me go ahead and switch to the Google camera on the Essential phone. All right, so this is the Google camera at 1080p 30 frames per second on the Essential phone. So let me walk here, and again, you be the judge for yourself when comparing both of the camera apps, the Google camera and the regular camera. So there it is. I want y'all guys to take a look at that. And is there a difference between both of these camera apps? All right, and as I pan around and y'all guys take a look at that. All right, there it is. So this is the Google camera app on the Essential phone. All right, take a look at that. Booyah. There it is. Let me go ahead and do 4K with both apps. Check this out. All right, so this is the Essential app, the original stock app that's on the phone at 4K resolution. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Is it a difference between the Google camera app and the Essential app that comes stock with the device? Now I'm running Android 9.0 Pie, but you be the judge for yourself when looking at both of these camera apps. So a lot of people are saying that the Google camera app makes things look better, but you be the judge for yourself. This is the real deal. All right, how does it focus? Does it go in focus? Is it out of focus? I don't know, but this is the stock camera app on the Essential phone here on 9.0. So let me go on and switch to the Google camera on this device. All right, so this is the Google camera app on the Essential phone at 4K resolution. So I want y'all guys to see this. Do y'all guys see any difference between using the Google app and the Essential app that's on the device? Again, I'm running 9.0, the official version of Pi. And let me walk, and there it is. Now, I'm looking at the viewfinder, and I'm looking at both camera apps as I do this, and I'm not seeing much of a difference. Maybe once I get it on the computer and render it. But other than that, this is 4K on the Essential phone here, and I'm using the Google camera app. So you be the judge for yourself. Does it make it look better, or just use the plain old app? There it is. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Essential phone with the original stock app on 9.0. All right, so I want y'all guys to see this as I pan around. This is the original stock app. And y'all look at the background. Let's go and turn the camera around a little bit, and I'll let y'all guys see that. All right, so I'm going to switch to the new Google app on 9.0, and I'll let y'all guys be the judge for yourself on which camera app is better. All right, guys, so this is the Google app here, camera app on the Essential phone. And listen, looking at the first app and looking at the second app, I do see a difference in the front-facing camera, just looking at the viewfinder. Wow, so you be the judge for yourself when it comes down to which camera app you would prefer. So looking at the camera app here on the Essential phone, and this is the Google camera app. Yeah, okay, so now me just looking at the lens, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It does make a little difference in the front-facing camera. But you be the judge for yourself when looking at the rear camera. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Google camera app and the regular stock app on the Essential phone 9.0. See you guys on the next video. Peace.